Hey guys, our video starts right here on 14th Street and U Street. Hello, if you are new here, welcome to our channel. Please consider subscribing, liking, and also sharing. On the 14th Street of the 14th Street and U Street in Washington, D.C. is where we are this beautiful morning. But I wanted to show you something that you might not have known about Washington, D.C. I know many a times you get to see the beautiful parts of the United States, but did you also know that some streets can be very filthy? This is part of such a situation where we are seeing very dirty streets right here in Washington, D.C., not very far from the city center. As I told you, and I'm not making up this stuff, guys, Washington, D.C., at the intersection of 14th and U Street, this is what you get. This is what you get, guys. This is what you get yourself. When we talk about the not so clean parts of Washington, D.C., this is what we are talking about. And remember, we are not very far from the Capitol and White House and all that kind of stuff. Why would a street like this be so filthy? Please drop a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think about the cleanliness of these streets here in Washington, D.C. We are not making this stuff up. This is what you get yourself if you come to 14th Street and U Street. And some people like saying that being the first world, you would expect better. I totally agree with such sentiments because I too cannot understand why it would be so filthy in the city center, the capital city of the United States. This is what you get yourself, guys. U Street and 14th Street. This, remember, is in the nation's capital of Washington, D.C. That's what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about, guys. Totally filthy. No, we're not making this stuff up. People throw the trash all over. You wouldn't think that you are in the first world. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Would you believe this if someone had told you that this is the nation's capital of the United States of America? Would you believe it? Maybe not. So this is what's happening, guys. Even the police are here. I don't know what they want. But this is what you get yourself on U Street and 14th. Personally, I couldn't believe it. How filthy a street can be in the heart of the city. That I cannot understand. I can't understand what's going on here, guys, and why the streets will look so filthy. Can you drop a comment, tell us what you think about this particular situation that we found ourselves in today, where we are looking at very, very filthy streets in Washington, D.C. Personally, I would expect better, that we are in the heart of the city, and that the heart of the city should be cleaner than what we have just seen. What are your thoughts? What do you think is happening here in Washington, D.C.? What are your thoughts about the way the streets are right here, U Street and 14th Street, also including V Street? That intersection, and it's the one that I picked up because I stopped here, so there is no knowing what other streets are looking like close to this place. The bottom line is, this is not far from the state capitol, the White House, the monuments, and all these other places. Some of these things are not shown on TV. If you are new here in the United States, you might not even know. If you have never visited, you might not know, because what you see most of the time is this glorious picture of nice places. And not to say that there are no nice places in the United States, of course, far from it. But we also need to tell the other side of the story. You know, on this channel, we have shown you very beautiful neighborhoods. And why not also show you some of the things that would not make many people happy. But of course, I guess those who live around here are happy with what they are getting. But the question is, whose fault is it? Why is it that there are so many, why is it that, what's the question? Why is it that streets like this can get so filthy right here in the heart of the nation's capital? United States of America, right here in Washington, D.C. Why would it be like this? Is it negligence? Is it because people do not take responsibility? Is it because maybe the administration, the people that run the city, do not give attention to some of these places? Because some places were in the nation's capital are well taken care of. You cannot see any garbage, any trash being thrown around or being discarded or left out like this, and they pay a lot of attention. So why would some streets look different than others? Yet, if you look at this, even the buildings here are very cool. It's not like we are in the ghetto. This is really in the heart of the city. But why would the streets be so neglected? That's a question That's a fair question to ask in our channel today. What do you think? Why do you think the situation is like this? Is this what you expected of Washington, D.C.? From wherever you are watching us, do you compare, how would you compare what you have seen to where you are? Are things any different where you are? And what are your comments? Please put your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. It is not something that many people would appreciate, the fact that streets would be this filthy. I have seen filthy streets in other cities. Never expected this to happen right here in the nation's capital of the nation's capital in the United States of America. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me know what you think about the situation that we just looked at here in the states, in the nation's capital, in the United States of America. Feel the streets. Whose fault is it? Why is it like that? Can it be changed? Can the situation change? What are your thoughts? Drop them in the comment section down below. For now, we are going to end this video. I hope I can capture a little bit of